Welcome back, America, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is Tuesday, March 30th, 2021. It's time for our daily COVID-19 analysis for the U.S. Also, remind you, be sure to come back this Sunday when I'll be doing a vaccine rollout report for the U.S. also. Before we get started, I'm going to narrow my request down to just one today. And that is that you click on the share button, share this video with one person today, okay? That's all I'm asking. It's my only request for today. Share this video with one person today. So let's go ahead and let's get started with the show here now, shall we? If you follow news, you know that both President Joe Biden and the director of the CDC is already still beating the drum about hysteria. They really are, as one reporter said, they really are doing nothing. They really, at this point, they're not really contributing to the cause. I believe they're probably ignoring the data, and they're ignoring the fact that we're vaccinating senior citizens. Because, simply put, if 30% of the deaths are people 65 and older, if we can vaccinate the majority of senior citizens, particularly senior citizens in nursing homes, nursing facilities, we can immediately, very briefly, begin reducing the number of deaths by, say, 15 to 20%. Let's take a look. The bad news, of course, is 30.3 million cases, 550,000 deaths. Mortality rate is trending back up for 2.5%. Okay, let's just take a look at the numbers. Now, you do see a spike here. Well, is that really a spike, or is that just a one? This could be a 2 or 3 day spike, remains to be seen. We know that this number here for the 29th was lower than these two numbers here. And this number here was lower than these two numbers here. Okay, so it remains to be seen. Of course, the good news is, and this is my guess, this is probably what the media is underreporting. The fact that deaths are continuing to decline. COVID-19 deaths are continuing to decline. Okay? All right? And that's the good news. What about deaths? Well, look at this nice long decline in weekly cases. Okay? A slight bump up last week, but still not a major bump. Who knows? This one here could finish below these numbers right here also. What about deaths? Well, look at this nice continuing decline in weekly deaths. Okay? Okay, so but the point is simple. And remember, deaths are more important than cases. Okay, the pandemics and diseases are measured by deaths and not by cases or hospitalizations. Okay, or ICU units, they're measured by deaths. Okay, so here's the monthly cases. You can see it looks like March is going to be the lowest case in 1, 2, 3, 4 months, in 5 months. Okay, deaths. Well, guess what? March deaths can wind up being the lowest number of deaths, barely, in 4 months, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are some good numbers for the U.S. right now, and that's what I really want to emphasize for you folks. Okay, that's also I want to emphasize. Continue to tune into my channel so you'll get the straight, plain, unpoliticized numbers. Okay. So again, before I let you go, I want to thank you for stopping by. I also remind you to stop by on Sunday. We're doing a weekly COVID-19 vaccine rollout report. Okay? And secondly, be sure to click that subscribe or that share button. Share this video, this report with one person today. Okay? That's all I'm asking. Share this video with one person today. Okay? Thanks so much for stopping by, America. We'll catch you tomorrow with a new report.